Welcome back. I am Anshu and you are watching Bottleneck. This is the Agenti AI Cookbook series where we learn and implement design patterns for AI applications using hands-on examples. In our previous videos, we explored some of the most important agentic AI patterns: chaining, routing, parallelization, and reflection. While chaining enables agent to complete tasks step by step with each stage built on the previous one, routing adds intelligence by selecting the best path for a specific request. Parallelization boosts the speed and scalability by allowing multiple tasks to run simultaneously and then combining the results. And finally, reflection introduces a unique capability, self evaluation, helping agents review and improve their own output to ensure higher quality. Together, these patterns make AI system more effective at solving complex problems and managing sophisticated workflows. But one key challenge still remains: how can an AI interact with external systems and take actions in the real world? That's where the tool use pattern comes in, making modern agentic systems more powerful and practical. So why tool use pattern? While large language models are incredibly powerful at reasoning and generating content, they are limited to the knowledge available to their training data. They can't automatically access real time information, interact with your personal data, perform specialized operations, or take actions in an external system. The tool use pattern removes these limitations by allowing AI agents to connect with external resources and services. These tools can be anything from functions and APIs to database, knowledge bases, or even other specialized AI agents. This transforms an AI agent from a system that simply provides answer into one that can actively gather information, make decisions, and execute real world tasks. In short, tool use pattern enables AI agents to orchestrate a wide ecosystem of digital tools, making them smarter, more capable, and far more useful in the real world application. So, what is tool use pattern? Tool use pattern enables AI agent to intelligently interact with external tool APIs, databases, applications, and services to access information, perform action, and complete tasks beyond its built-in knowledge. It starts with a user request and an LLM analysis. The process begins as the user submits a request. The LLM interprets the request, understands the user's intent, and evaluates whether it can respond using its existing knowledge or if additional information or functionality is needed from an external tool. Then a tool selection decision is made. Once the request is understood, the agent determines whether the external assistance is required based on the available tools and the nature of request. It selects the tool that can best provide the required information or perform the necessary action. Then there is a tool call or function call, which is basically a tool generation or a call generation. After identifying right tool, the LLM generates a structured request containing the tool name and required inputs. This acts as a bridge between the agent's reasoning process and the external capability that will perform the task. Finally, there will be a tool execution, the tool execution, or the result retrieval. So basically the agent framework executes the requested tool. As we see, we have list of tools here: external API, databases, services, or code execution. Now the agent executes the tool or the requested tool, which could be the API call or any other. Okay, the result is then returned to the agent for further processing. Once the results are retrieved by the LLM, the result processing and final response process or the agent comes in. The agent combines the tool output with its reasoning capability to generate meaningful response. Depending on the workflow, it may provide the final answer, initiate tool call, or continue executing additional steps to complete the task. The tool use pattern allows AI agents to connect their reasoning capability with external system and services. Most likely, in most of the cases, we have business logic, which is very much specific to the business user or business use case, which are part of the tool calls, and the entire agent will comply to that. The agent analyzes the request, determines if the tool is needed, invokes the appropriate capability, processing the returned results, and deliver a meaningful response or action. This transforms an LLM from a knowledge based assistant into an intelligent system capable of interacting with real world system and any specific business process or business need. All right. Now, the benefits of tool use pattern. First is the capability augmentation. A standalone LLM is limited to the knowledge it was trained on. The tool use pattern extends those capabilities by allowing the agent to access external systems, services, and specialized functions. This enables the agent to retrieve current information, perform the complex operations, and solve problems that would otherwise be beyond its native capabilities. Second is enterprise integration. For AI agents to deliver business values, they must interact with enterprise systems. The tool use pattern enables seamless connectivity with APIs, databases, SaaS platforms, and internal applications. This allows agents to access organizational data and participate directly in the business process rather than operating in isolation. Then we have actionable intelligence. Traditional AI systems primarily provide insights and recommendations. With tool use, agents can go a step further by converting decisions into actions, whether it's updating records, creating tickets, sending notifications, or initiating workflows. The agent becomes capable of executing tasks and driving measurable outcomes. Then we have distributed orchestration. Modern business processes often require coordination across multiple systems and services. Tool use pattern allows an agent to orchestrate these interactions intelligently. It can select the appropriate tools, manage dependencies, and combine the results from different sources to complete complex multiple step workflows efficiently. Finally, we have architectural extensibility. Business requirements involve continuous, and AI solutions must adapt without significant rework. The tool use pattern provides a modular architecture where new tools, services, and capabilities can be added incrementally. This enables organization to scale agents' functionality over time without retraining or redesigning the core model. In summary, the tool use pattern transforms an LLM from a conversational interface into an intelligent enterprise agent by extending capabilities, integrating with business systems, enabling actions, orchestrations, workflows, and supporting future growth. It provides foundation for building scalable and impactful AI solutions. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on the tool use pattern in Agentic AI. Coming up next, we will move from theory to practical hands-on implementation, where we will see how to build a tool-based workflow step by step. So stay tuned. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical insights into AI architecture and design patterns. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.